welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany Foes, you don't know me, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Alter Ego Aurora Palette. This is a really gorgeous palette, guys, as you can see. Lots of fun, bright colors in there and some really nice shimmers. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look that I'm wearing today, make sure to stick around and also make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, to get started, I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair back. Like so, with a little clip. And then I've already primed my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's the primer that I use in every video. Next, I'm going to prep my eyes. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. And then just buff that out using a Morphe M173. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Aurora palette. The first color that I'm diving into is this Soul color, which is this nice, like, dark yellow color down here. And I'm just going to dust that kind of like above my crease, like into the crease and above my crease. Next, I'm taking a Morphe E14 and I'm going to go into Flare, which is this nice, pretty dark orange. And I'm just gonna pat that all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 and I'm gonna go into Star. And I'm just going to pop that in my crease to kind of blend those first two colors together. Next, I'm going to take some concealer and place it on the back of my hand so that I can do a half cut crease. I'm using a Morphe M124 for this. Now that I cut my crease, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M431, which is like a little like bullet brush, and I'm going to go into Ray first. I'm going to place that right at the start, or I guess like the end, depending on how you look at it, of my cut crease. Next, I'm going to take a 213 and go into Spark and place that here in the corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go back in with some Flare, just on that outer corner. And I'm also going to take a little Flare on a Morphe M504 and just kind of blend it right above those two shimmers. Now I'm going to go on with some foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm the shade 5W1.5, which is Cinnamon, and I'm just using a Morphe M439 to apply this. Now I'm going to go back in with my Dose of Colors concealer just to conceal my under eye area. And then just going in with a wet beauty sponge to blend that in. And then going in with my Huda Beauty Kunafa powder to set that under eye area. And then again, just using my beauty sponge to apply that. Now for under eye, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M431, but first I'm going to put it in the color switcher just to try to get some of that shimmer off that I used before. And then I'm going to go in to Flare and place that under my eye. And kind of blend that up to the top bit. Same brush, I'm going to go in to Spark and place that in the inner corner of the bottom part of my eye. Then going back in with my M213, I'm going to go ahead and take Brilliance and just pop that for an inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to take this Morphe 506 and I'm just going to blend. I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera. I used the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. So now I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to be using the Garter lashes from Kiss. For blush, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty liquid blush. I really like this stuff, but if you haven't tried it, be careful because it is super pigmented, so you don't want to put too much on because a little bit goes a long way. And so then I'm going to be using a Real Techniques brush. This is the Real Techniques 200, and this is like the best brush for just like buffing this out, I feel. So I'm just going to buff that out. So now I'm going in with my Becca highlighter. This is in Champagne Pop, and I'm using a Morphe 510 for this. And I'm just now realizing that I forgot to do my brows, so I'm just going to quickly do those. For lips, I did a quick combo of NYX Downtown Beauty with Dose of Colors Heartbreaker and the Dose of Colors Over the Top Gloss. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.